Hey there, fellow travelers and culture enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, Traveler's Plan. In today's video, I'm taking you on an incredible journey to one of the most fascinating cities in New Zealand, Auckland. Get ready to be captivated by its rich history, vibrant culture, and mouth-watering cuisine. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. Situated on the North Island of New Zealand, Auckland enjoys a prime location that combines the best of both worlds. Its unique position between two stunning harbours, the Waitemata and Manukau, means you're never far from a picturesque waterfront view. And did we mention the volcanic cones? Auckland is home to no less than 53 volcanic cones, providing a dramatic backdrop and plenty of hiking opportunities. Auckland has a rich cultural history dating back centuries. The area was originally inhabited by the Maori people, who recognized its strategic location as a significant trading center. They cultivated the land, fished the waters, and left their mark on the region's landscape through the construction of fortified pa, villages, and terraced gardens. In the early 19th century, European settlers arrived and established Auckland as the capital of New Zealand. The city rapidly grew and flourished, transforming into a bustling port town. Today, Auckland stands as a testament to its colonial past, with heritage buildings and historical sites scattered throughout the city. Prepare for a bird's-eye view of Auckland from the renowned Sky Tower. This iconic landmark stands tall at 328 meters and offers panoramic vistas of the city and its picturesque surroundings. For the more adventurous, you can even experience the adrenaline rush of base jumping from the top. Step back in time at the Auckland War Memorial Museum, where you can immerse yourself in the fascinating stories of New Zealand's past. From exhibitions on Maori culture to displays showcasing the country's involvement in World War I, this museum offers a comprehensive insight into the nation's history. Escape the hustle and bustle of the city and unwind in the peaceful beauty of Auckland Domain. This expansive park is home to formal gardens, sports fields, and the Auckland War Memorial Museum. Take a leisurely stroll, have a picnic, or simply bask in the tranquility of this urban oasis. Immerse yourself in the rich traditions and welcoming spirit of the Maori people, who are an integral part of Auckland's vibrant cultural tapestry. Experience a traditional Maori pōwhiri, welcome ceremony, indulge in a hangi feast, Maori earth oven cooked meal, and learn about the fascinating customs and art forms passed down through generations. Auckland's cultural diversity is also reflected in its thriving Asian communities. Explore the bustling streets of the city's various Asian neighborhoods, where you can savor mouth-watering dumplings, browse vibrant markets, or participate in the vibrant festivities during Chinese New Year and Diwali. Every year, Auckland hosts the colorful Pasifika Festival, celebrating the vibrant cultures of the Pacific Islands. Experience the lively rhythms of Polynesian music, witness captivating dance performances, and savor a mouth-watering array of Pacific Island cuisine. This festival is a true celebration of the diversity that makes Auckland such a unique and welcoming city. So, whether you're exploring the picturesque landscapes, delving into its rich history, or immersing yourself in its vibrant cultural scene, Auckland promises an unforgettable experience that will leave you yearning for more. Get ready to fall in love with this captivating city at the heart of New Zealand. Auckland is a playground for outdoor enthusiasts, offering a wide range of activities to enjoy the city's stunning natural beauty. From picturesque beaches to invigorating hikes, there's something for everyone. With its proximity to the ocean, Auckland boasts some of the most gorgeous beaches in New Zealand. Whether you're looking to relax on the golden sands or catch some waves, you won't be disappointed. Coastal walks like the iconic Auckland Coastal Walkway offer breathtaking views and a chance to explore charming seaside villages. If you prefer to surround yourself with lush greenery, Auckland has an abundance of hiking trails and nature reserves. From the famous Waitakere Ranges to the stunning Waiheke Island, you can immerse yourself in the beauty of native forests, cascading waterfalls, and panoramic views. Don't forget your camera. Auckland is a melting pot of cultures, and its food scene reflects this diversity. With a plethora of ethnic cuisines and vibrant food markets, your taste buds are in for a treat. From mouth-watering Asian street food in the bustling night markets to savory Indian curries in Sandringham, Auckland offers a delicious array of international flavors. Don't miss the chance to explore the city's food markets, such as the ever-popular Otara Flea Market, where you can sample local delicacies and experience the vibrant atmosphere. For those seeking a more upscale culinary experience, Auckland boasts an impressive selection of fine dining establishments. From waterfront restaurants showcasing the best of New Zealand seafood to innovative eateries pushing the boundaries of gastronomy, you'll find a dining experience to suit every palate. Prepare your taste buds for a gastronomic adventure. When it comes to shopping and entertainment, Auckland has plenty to offer. From high street fashion to lively nightlife, you'll find an abundance of options to keep you entertained. Shopaholics rejoice. Auckland is a shopper's paradise, with trendy boutiques and bustling shopping districts. Whether you're after high-end fashion labels or unique Kiwi designs, you'll find it all in the heart of the city. Don't forget to stop by Queen Street, Auckland's main shopping strip, for a truly cosmopolitan shopping experience. When the sun sets, Auckland comes alive with a vibrant nightlife scene. From rooftop bars overlooking the city skyline to intimate jazz clubs, there's something for every night owl. Catch a live gig at one of the many music venues or dance the night away at a lively nightclub. Auckland knows how to have a good time. Before you embark on your Auckland adventure, here are some practical tips and information to make your visit smooth and enjoyable. Auckland has a comprehensive public transport system, including buses, trains, and ferries, making it easy to get around. If you prefer to explore at your own pace, renting a car is also a convenient option. Just keep in mind that rush hour traffic can be a bit of a headache, so plan accordingly. Auckland enjoys a temperate climate, with mild winters and warm summers. The best time to visit is during the spring, September to November, and autumn, March to May, when the weather is pleasant and the crowds are smaller. However, regardless of the season, Auckland's charm and beauty are ever present, so don't hesitate to explore this incredible city at any time of the year. In conclusion, Auckland truly stands out as a remarkable destination that seamlessly blends natural beauty, cultural diversity, and urban charm. With its rich history, iconic landmarks, and a wide range of attractions and activities to enjoy, Auckland offers a memorable experience for visitors of all interests. Whether you find yourself exploring the enchanting Maori heritage, indulging in delicious cuisine, or simply taking in the breathtaking landscapes, Auckland is sure to leave a lasting impression. So, pack your bags and embark on an unforgettable journey to this incredible city that has so much to offer. We hope you enjoyed this virtual tour of Auckland and that it ignited your curiosity to explore this city in person someday. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting adventures around the world. Until next time, happy exploring.